Viscogels enable a predominant oligomer composition. Oligomers are what gives materials their strength and elasticity, but they also increase viscosity. That's why traditional resins rely heavily on monomers, which reduce viscosity and dilute the formulation. Viscogels, however, are different. With over 80% oligomer load, they offer properties comparable to molded plastics at viscosities up to millions of centipoise that are only processable by our proprietary technology. In contrast, standard resin processes can only handle formulations typically up to 20,000 centipoise, fitting a maximum of 20% oligomer load, massively limiting properties. Our Viscogels portfolio range from rigid materials equivalent to fiber-reinforced polyamides, ductiles that behave like polypropylene or PVC, and elastomers that match the properties of EPDM and soft TPU.